Welcome to All Things After School. I'm your host, Marisa Miller. Today, I have a pretty simple resource I want to share. Maybe it even seemed too simple, but really, bear with me. I think they're pretty awesome. So, what I'm talking about is the humble tray. I will travel to sites all over the state of California, looking at different programs and working with people. And one of the things I regularly see is that staff do not have materials to organize for easy handout and easy collection of their materials. And I want to suggest in this video that you consider the humble tray. Discount School Supply has a really nice set that's very long lasting, has a nice lip, different colors so that like different groups can have different, the blue group gets the tray. You can organize things specifically to the color. One of the things that's so great about the tray, though, especially like this, is you can stage the scissors. One tray can be all scissors, another tray can be all the glue, another tray can be all the paper, another, right? So on. Or it can go a different way. You can have this 2 scissors, 2 glues, the handout, some 8 markers, whatever the supply activities of the supply, a stapler, and for each tray. And then one person comes up from each group, takes their tray. And then at the end of the day or the session, when it's time to clean up, it's very easy for the leader to say, make sure there are 2 scissors, 2 glue sticks, the 1 stapler, whatever you had on the tray, and direct cleanup without doing the cleanup. One of the things I see staff do is get more and more burned out as they think they're managing cleanup, but they're actually doing too much of the cleanup. And trays let you have the kids do the cleanup and yet have everything come back in a way that's not a big jumble and lets you reorganize for the next session. There are other types of trays. These are the ones I like for the group kind of thing. You can have the mini art trays. So this lets you work with kids in small groups. And so individuals can have their own materials and so on. There's all sorts of companies that have different trays. But what I wanted to show you was consider the humble tray as a tool to make program leaders' lives easier and cleanup go smoother, quicker, and well done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to support future videos.